Everybody loves to travel, but lack of funds tends to hold us back. What if you could travel and earn money at the same time? Here's 10 ways of making money whilst traveling. Know before you go! Number 1. Flower, vegetable or fruit picking. Many of the best holiday destinations are close to agricultural areas. Pay varies depending on country, season and crop, but it's not unusual for farmers to offer accommodation during the season, thus saving on boarding costs too. Yeah! Number 2. Rent out your car. If you're going away and leaving your car, why not rent it out? Using Turo, you can rent out your car, set a minimum price per trip, have a full tank of gas when you return, and it's insured up to $1 million and for fire and theft. It's also totally free to list it. Number 3. Rent out your house. If you're not using your car, you probably don't need your house either, so why not rent it out too? With Airbnb, you're also insured up to $1 million, so you won't need to worry while you're away. Number 4. Work in bars and restaurants. When traveling to tourist locations in season, bars and restaurants often require additional help. This work will probably be evening work, leaving you free in the daytime to explore. If you don't have a work permit, you will probably be paid under the table. Number 5. House sitting. Maybe you just want to travel and don't care where. By using Mind My House, you can search for people who want someone to keep an eye on their house and land yourself some free accommodation. Number 6. Hostels. Not only a cheap place to stay, but also a great place to network with other travelers. You can also inquire after work, as they always need someone on the desk or cleaners. It may not pay much, but your accommodation will be free. Number 7. Flight attendant. If you enjoy traveling, international flights usually involve a stayover, in which you can explore your destination. You'll need a good level of English and customer care, and you'll have to study as competition will be tough. Number 8. Construction work. If you don't mind a bit of hard labour, you can ask around construction sites if they have any day work. You'll probably be off the book, so be sure that your insurance covers you in case of an accident. Uh-oh. Number 9. Cruise ships. An ideal way to travel and work at the same time. While you're sailing, you'll be working, but once you dock, you'll be able to explore the destinations. The most likely areas are the Caribbean and the Mediterranean, so that's not bad either. Number 10. Translator or teacher. If you know more than one language, you can get a job as a translator or language teacher. The only drawback of this is being that you'll have to learn a country's language before you go. Have you ever worked whilst travelling? Comment below.